right, thank you for joining. Today we'll go over XRP, USDT on the Binance chart. So a few days update since we last went over XRP. You can see I was pretty much expecting to get a move to the downside before breaking out of this trend line, but it looks like we got a breakout of the trend line earlier than expected. And now we are going up against the previous month low, right? So we tested last month's low, slight rejection, still one-time framing to the upside. We're going to see if the bulls want to defend this low, right? Yesterday's low. If so, then I would definitely expect to see a push to the upside, and it would be nice to get a daily close back inside last month's low, right? Once that happens, then the next major target will be this trend line right here, and the way how things are looking, we'll probably hit it right around $2.92. If we can break through that, then the previous month's high would be the next target at $3.18. And then of course, if we trade above that, the next major resistance will be previous quarter's high, which is $3.66, which is also the all-time high. If we go ahead and pull the fixed range volume profile tool for this entire range, you'll be able to see that we are trading above the point of control, looking to make a full rotation to the value area high, which also would line up with this trend line, right? So this would be an interesting area to possibly look for a short trade, just because you would be at the value area high, and typically that's when a lot of selling pressure does come in. If we were to get that weakness, I would expect for price to at least come right back down to the point of control. Maybe we don't lose it completely before breaking out of this trend line and then actually moving to the upside, right? So we'll just see how this all plays out here in the upcoming days. But as of right now, I do like the way how XRP is looking. It is looking very bullish, one-time framing to the upside. We are struggling at last month's low, which is expected. If we cannot reclaim last month's low, yes, I would expect a rotation back to the point of control, possibly even the value area low back at $2.05. But as of right now, it is looking strong, it is looking bullish, and I'm expecting higher prices to come. We just need some bulls to step in, so that this way we can at least get to the value area high, where we can then start to possibly look for shorts. It would be nice to actually get a breakout of this trend line, test the previous month's high, then get a short trade there back down to possibly value area lows or this massive demand right there, right? So we'll just see how everything plays out in the next coming days here. But that's pretty much it with XRP, looking very bullish. Targets right now is coming up at $2.90. And yeah, looking to flip the previous month's low into support for extra continuation to the upside. Very bullish chart. Thank you for joining, and keep in mind right here is massive resistance, right? So we need to flip that into support for sure, or else we will get a move back to the downside. Thank you for joining, and take care. Bye-bye.